na parang nagiging chant na kasi yung bangag-bangag-bangag. Kasi that allegations that the president is a drug addict can have a significant implications both politically and socially. Mabigat ito eh. Yung allegations can severely damage the credibility and legitimacy of the president. So, hindi ko maintindihan kasi parang nasasanay na tayo na naririnig natin, especially when the First Lady came out with the interview saying bangag, bangag, bangag. So, parang nagiging chant na lang siya, no? So, mahirap yon. Yung allegation na yon, we have to take that seriously. Kasi alam naman natin, ang drug addiction can impair decision-making, diba, abilities. And it compromises yung ating national security. Marcos resign movement, talagang hindi natin kinakalimutan na yung allegations ng drug use ng ating presidente.